What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, the kind people over at Mubview were kind enough to send me out their smart video doorbell. This is a wireless Wi-Fi outdoor waterproof doorbell. This is the Bell J7, and over here it has 2K Full HD Wi-Fi, as I stated. Motion sensor, mobile app. It has IP65 waterproof rating, battery powered, day and night, two-way talk. And this is the product right there. And on the side here, you can scan to go download the app. So you would just bring up your phone and get yourself a QR code scanner, just like that. Hold on, let's see here. You would be able to download the app. It is right there. This is the app that you will need. It's called Mubview. So I'm going to install that on my OnePlus 12. This is the device that I will be monitoring that with. So I'm going to just let that download. So now we're going to open this up real quick. I ripped into it. And we're going to see what we are greeted with here. Which you should be greeted with this is your instruction manual. You'll need to read that. I probably will, so I can do this right later. You do get a security alert, 24-hour video surveillance sticker. You also get the lovely doorbell camera right here, as you can see. So this will be inserted onto the wall, and then your doorbell will actually sit inside of this when you mount it to the wall, or however you mount it outside. And then this is your speaker, so you can hear, the doorbell ringing. I guess you could sit this inside of your house, in your front room, so on and so on, wherever you want to hear the doorbell. This is the speaker. And they also come with 3 batteries. It's battery powered, so you get your batteries. And then you also get your tools to set up the device. So this is what you get. You get a screwdriver, and you get some screws and a cable there. I believe this is for charging. This is for charging up the doorbell itself. I believe, yes, that's for charging up. But it is kind of tinier than what I expected. Thought this would be a lot bigger than this, but you do get their logo right there. It says Mubview. It says Mubview right there. This is the doorbell part right here, as you can see. This is your camera. You will put these batteries inside of here, but I'm not going to set this up just yet, because I want to download the app first. So pretty much once you get the app, you want to open it up like so, and then it wants you to make an account. So now I have to put in my Wi-Fi information. There we go. It's connected. So we finally got the tone. So now you just want to let it connect and set up, and then you can insert your batteries if that's something you want to do at the moment. But I'm going to wait and do this on the video that I set everything up outside. But once you have that connected, then you want to hit next, and then it's telling you the protect shell. It wants you to put the shell on the wall, and it's showing you the things that it can detect. Then you want to hit next. And then this is pretty much what your camera setup is going to look like once you get the camera set up. As you can see, it's not bad. It says my Wi-Fi signal is strong, but this is what it's going to look like when you are recording whatever you are recording outside. This is what the camera will look like. I'm just showing you around the house, but when you take it outside, it'll look a tad bit better. Then you hit done, and then you can hit next and hit next and hit got it. And this is where you'll be able to come in here and see all of the video, you know. So if a mailman is bringing you a package but you're not home, you can talk to this and tell it, hey, leave my package. You could say leave my package at the front steps, or however you want to do it. I wanted to cut off the sound because I don't want it echoing, but let's go over some of the things that you get in this settings here. So it shows you the battery, so I pretty much need to charge the battery. But the good thing about this is that when you put this part onto the wall, you are able to take this out. So if you whenever you need to charge this up, all you would have to do is take it out, bring it in the house, and charge it up whenever you need to charge it up. So that is a good thing to have. You don't have to worry about trying to charge it up outside. Now you can, if your doorbell is close to your door somehow and you have a long charging cable, you can plug that in and leave it always plugged in to where it's never gonna go dead. But I think it'll be okay unplugging it to use it, so on and so on. But you do get screenshots. You get intercom, you get original sounds, you get record, you get motion detection, temper alarm, so you can set an alarm. You know, if it's somebody that you unfamiliar with, you can set an alarm. You also get a siren, or you can go into your album. Then you can come back here and you can go into history, and it'll give you the calendar, which it'll probably pretty much tell you when things are saved and recorded. You get alerts, screenshots, record, and an album. And then you have the cloud. So I'm going to activate that because I do not have an SD card in here. So we do want everything to be saved to the cloud as of right now. But pretty much this is what this is currently looking like. And this is the current setup of this camera. But so far I am liking the quality of the camera. It is not bad. It's not bad. It's supposed to be 2K. It's not bad, and I think this will come in handy for me and my family at home, you know, when we're away, or just even when we're home and we want to see who's coming up on the porch and who's bringing packages. This is perfect. So I would recommend you pick this up for yourself, and I'll